shit crack. That shit crack. That shit crack. Put your hands up, put your hands up. I said put your hands up, put your hands up. Yeah.
I haven't been to Malaysia yet. Marge visited Malaysia in Kuala Lumpur last year? Last year. This is my first time and it's 9:35 evening. It's a Saturday and we're going to Kuala Lumpur via bus. Marge booked in Star Mart Express. It only cost her 10 Singapore dollars and we'll be leaving at 11:45 p.m. We have about 2 hours and 10 minutes. And now, currently, we are in Happy Eyes. We're going to have dessert. It's so good! It's the chocolate bingsu. It's a chocolate flavor. It's a chocolate flavored bingsu ice with brownie banana, Milo topped with double chocolate ice cream, and roasted almond flakes. Marge went inside there to check in, but she told us to come back at 11:30. It is still 10:10. We are currently waiting here. We don't know where to wait for 11:30. So we're at the stairs. We're at the stairs. Sitting, waiting. Still waiting. It's still 10:55. We have 35 minutes before we could check in. We have 28 minutes of waiting time. So we're having a massage. We are now checking in.
Just go there, upstairs, you see 22, 23, you sit down. Okay, we'll check you after that.
Thank you.
Collect some water.
Only 2?
How many can you?
Thank you. We have free water. PMR. Happy MR. No, it's not our bus. It's 7 minutes before 12 midnight.
7 minutes before.
No sign of our bus yet. Our bus has arrived, finally. It's AKR6. We are upstairs, seats number 22 and 23. We are now on the bus. It's 12:07. We were supposed to leave at 11:45, but it's already 12:07. It's okay. We have 5 hours, I think, of travel time. And today is officially our 6th anniversary as a couple. Yay. And we're celebrating it KL style. We're going to sleep. We've had a long day. See you later. First stop, immigration.